Welcome to Ride Ready Reviews, your go-to channel for in-depth car and bike reviews. If you love exploring the latest vehicles with detailed insights, you're in the right place. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Today, we have something truly exciting for you with the 2025 GMC Sierra. This powerhouse pickup truck continues to push the limits of strength, luxury, and cutting-edge technology, making it a top choice for truck enthusiasts. Let's dive deep into what makes the 2025 Sierra stand out from the crowd. Starting with the design, GMC has refined the Sierra's bold and aggressive styling. The massive chrome grille, redesigned LED headlights, and muscular body lines give it a commanding presence on the road. Whether you're looking at the rugged AT4 trim or the ultra-luxurious Denali Ultimate, each variant has its unique appeal. The truck sits on newly designed alloy wheels, adding to its premium yet tough stance. Under the hood, the 2025 Sierra offers multiple engine options to cater to different needs. The base model comes with a powerful 2.7-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, delivering an impressive balance of power and efficiency. For those who need more muscle, GMC continues to offer the legendary 5.3-liter and 6.2-liter V8 engines, providing exceptional towing capacity. And let's not forget the 3.0-liter Duramax turbo diesel, which offers excellent torque and fuel efficiency, perfect for long hauls and heavy-duty work. Step inside, and you'll be welcomed by a cabin that feels more like a luxury SUV than a workhorse pickup. Premium leather seats, open forward trims, and a massive infotainment system create a high-end experience. The 13.4-inch touchscreen with GMC's latest infotainment software ensures seamless connectivity, featuring Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a built-in Google Assistant. For those who love tech, the 2025 Sierra is packed with advanced features. The truck now includes Super Cruise, GMC's hands-free driving technology, which works on thousands of miles of mapped highways. There's also a fully digital driver display, a head-up display, and multiple camera views to assist with parking and towing. Speaking of towing, GMC has enhanced the Sierra's trailering technology, making it easier than ever to hitch and haul with confidence. When it comes to safety, the 2025 Sierra doesn't compromise. Standard safety features include automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control. Higher trims even offer enhanced driver assistance features, ensuring maximum protection on the road. The off-road enthusiasts will love the AT4X trim, which takes the Sierra's capabilities to the next level. Equipped with Multimatic DSSV dampers, skid plates, and all-terrain tires, the AT4X is ready to tackle the toughest trails. Whether you're on rocky paths or deep in the wilderness, this truck can handle it all. In terms of pricing, the 2025 GMC Sierra starts at around $40,000 for the base model, while fully loaded trims like the Denali Ultimate can go beyond $80,000. With such a range of options, there's a Sierra for everyone. Whether you need a reliable work truck or a luxurious daily driver. That wraps up our review of the 2025 GMC Sierra. What do you think about this powerhouse pickup? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this review, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Ride Ready Reviews for more expert car and bike content. See you in the next video.